witnessing a model citizen here, transformed into a brutal, bloodthirsty, killing machine!
Welcome to the home of Towers and Smythe Consulting. TSC is a firm fueled by greed, duplicity, and moral decay.
I'm gonna need some scouts!
What the hell are you doing?
Firing you.
I'm not leaving this building until I plead my case.
Sure. Good luck with that.
What the hell is going on?
Say hello to the ID7 virus. Stress hormone levels rise, causing inhibitions to drop, and basic instincts to rise to the surface.
All traces of the virus should be eliminated in approximately 8 hours.
What are we supposed to do for the next 8 hours?
Try to remain calm.
Hey, extreme measures, right?
This is our shot.
I'm offering 150 grand for Cho's head.
We're talking about murder here. You should be offering at least 450.
Him?
Yup.
You want to do this the hard way? You're enjoying this, aren't you?
I just kicked his ass!